So now we define what is the atmosphere, troposphere. Basically, the troposphere is the lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere and the most important for sustaining the life. It contains the air we breathe and support all weathers related activities. This layer play a vital role in regulating the Earth's surface temperature and maintaining the environmental balance. So, what is the overview of the Earth atmosphere? Basically, Earth atmosphere is divided into five main layers based on changes in temperature with altitudes. These layers include the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Among them, the troposphere is the most dynamic and directly influences life on Earth. So the troposphere is defined as the atmospheric layer that extends from Earth's surface up to the tropopause. It contains the majority of the atmosphere's mass and its region where all weather phenomena take place. What is the location of the troposphere? Basically, troposphere lies directly above the Earth's surface and below the stratosphere. The boundaries between these two layers is known as the tropopause, which limit the vertical air movement and marks a change in temperature behavior. So, vertical extent of the troposphere. The thickness of the troposphere is not uniform across the globe. It is thinner near the poles and thicker near the equators due to the variation in temperature and atmospheric circulation pattern. So, what are the physical characteristics of this layer? This layer is characterized by a constant motion and turbulency. Vertical mixing, changing air pressure, humidity, and temperature make the troposphere highly active and responsible for dynamic weather conditions. What is the chemical composition of this layer? The troposphere contains a mixture of gases, aerosol, dust particles, and water vapors. These components are essential for cloud formation, weather process, and survival of living organisms. Now, what is the role of the nitrogen and oxygen? Nitrogen make up the largest portion of the troposphere and help to stabilize the atmosphere. Oxygen is essential for respiration in living organisms and support the combustion process. So what is the importance of the water vapors? Water vapor is one of the most variable component of the troposphere. It play a key role in controlling the humidity, forming the clouds and producing the precipitation such as the rain and snow. So the temperature structure, for example, in troposphere, temperature generally decrease with increasing the altitudes. This occurs because air pressure decreases at higher elevations, reducing the atmosphere's ability to retain the heat. There is some environmental lapse rate. So the environmental lapse rate refers to the average rate at which the temperature decreases with altitudes, approximately 6 to 5 degrees centigrade per kilometers. This rate influences the atmospheric stability and the development of storms. There is some weather process, for example, all weather phenomena occur within the troposphere. This includes the rainfall, snowfall, thunderstorm, fog, and strong winds, making this layer essential for Earth's weather system. So, cloud development. Cloud form when warm, moist air rises and cool as it moves upward. As the air cools, water vapor coolness around small particle known as the condensation nuclei forming the clouds. Precipitation mechanism. Precipitations occur when condensed water droplets or ice crystals grow large enough to overcome air resistance. These particles then fall to earth in the form of the rain, snow, sleets, or hail. Air pressure and density. Air pressure and density decrease rapidly with altitudes, affecting the breathing and aircraft performance. There is a wind system. Wind system in that troposphere are caused by the horizontal differences in air pressure. These pressure differences result from uneven heatings of Earth's surface by the sun. So the tropospheres and the climates play a crucial role in climate regulation by redistribution heat around the globe. This process helps to maintain the temperature balance between the different regions of the earth. So there is some human impacts activities such as the industrialization, transportations and urban development have significantly altered the compositions of the troposphere. These changes contribute to environmental and climate issues. Air pollutions such as the smoke, particulate matters, and the greenhouse gases accumulate in the troposphere. So, these air pollutions negatively impact the human health and contribute to the global warming. So, lastly, as a concluding marks, we can describe that the troposphere is essential for sustaining life on Earth. It supports the weather systems, regulates the climate, and maintains the environmental balance. So, making it one of the most critical layer of the atmosphere. So, this topic is about the troposphere, their composition, and the role in the air pollutions and the controlling strategies used to control these pollutions.